have to do something, and that is kahime. We use that in one of it, like kahime I have to go. Kahime dolawadi, I have to go home. Okay.
Is that present and past? Is that what
Yeah, began dom is I had to. Kahime is I have to.
irregular verb?
No, it's different ways of saying it actually. Yeah. Okay.
Necessary versus have.
That's actually another different. Yeah. Say I will have to go home. The way you say that most commonly is be autumn dol awalya. Be autumn dol awalya. So say I had to go home began dom dol awalya. It was necessary for me to go home. To say I have to go home.
Not have.
No, I had to go home is began dom dol awalya. That's like kind of like C. Okay. Began dom dol awalya. I had to go home. To say I have to go home, it's kahime dolawaya. Okay? And kahime, you just have to get that down, means have to. Okay? To say I will have to go home, then you say be oram dolawaya, which means it will be on me to go home. Okay, and there's a few other variants of it, but
Present, though.
huh?
That seems like it would work in the present too.
Well, I will have to. I mean,
It is on.
things that you have to do in the future, you may have to do now too. Okay, but the basic way, the main way you would really say, and you're going to see there's lots of variants of these, but the main way you really say in the future is be or it will be on me. You know, kahime is the way you may emphasize it really for now, and then begandom is I had to. Okay. Yeah, it's just that the ways that are most common to say these in the past, present, and future is different. They're not variants of the same thing. They're completely different ways of saying it. Okay. Yeah.
What will be on?
Yeah. In other words, it is so. One of the ways you express obligation in Irish is to have something on you. Yeah, and you can use this one in the past. V or dolawai. I had to go home. You can say that now, ta oram dolawaya. But particularly for the future, that's the one that works the best in the future. Okay.
So do those last three words in sentence 3 just mean suddenly?
Okay, the last two actually. Okay, so back to the main sentence. So Began Doiv, they had to. The Koskain is the break. A haring is to pull. And the Tobin is suddenly. Yeah, and we had that one in, that was a spider fell suddenly, right? Okay. So literally it was necessary for them the brakes to pull suddenly. Okay, so the Began Doiv, it was necessary for them. Now the Koskain the brakes, a haring to pull, the Tobin suddenly.
What's the apostrophe for?
Oh, because it's short for ba agan. Okay, and when you have ba, it after next to a vowel, it becomes a yeah. Okay. Yeah. There is a present form of that. You can say is agendom. That means I have to. Is agendom. You'll see that. But it's not the most common way of saying it. If you want, normally when you want to say I have to, you use kahime. Yeah. When you want to say it in the past, you use big. Yeah. So let's do a little bit with that. So how would we say then? Okay, so Began, how would you say I had to go? I had to go home.
Began dom
So Began dom dolawalya. Okay, how about he had to go home?
Began dom
Okay, that's one we have in C. How about she had to go home? Began T dolawalya. And we had to go home. Okay, so Began doing dolawaya. Okay, doing is, so it was for us. It was necessary for us to go home. Okay. So what's the word for sandwiches? Capri. So how about we had to eat sandwiches?
Big and doing.
Capri. Okay, so bacon doing capri. Capri sandwiches to eat. So it was necessary for us sandwiches to eat. Bacon doing capri.
Big and doing. Capri.
A doesn't conjugate.
Huh?
A, the A either doesn't conjugate A.
No, because it means to eat. Yeah, so that one doesn't change. Okay. How about we had to eat cookies?
Big and doing.
Risky. More than one of them. So we didn't have to share one. This is one of the big cookies, right? Okay. So bacon doing risky. Risky.
Is there a word for a muffin?
Probably. I think there is.
Old Irish word.
Find it for you.
This goes from English to Irish, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Because I'm not going to stay here.
All right. So bacon doing brisky. Okay.
Big and doing.
Had to eat cookies. How about we had to drink milk?
Big and doing.
Okay.
The word is muffin.
Okay. Banya aol.
I said this has pronounced M-U-I-F-I-N.
Yeah, muffin. Muffin probably.
They didn't have muffins in Old Ireland.
I don't think we have muffins too much. I think it's muffin, isn't
It's like second from the
Yeah,
bottom
muffin.
on the left.
it? Yeah, so muffin. It's a muffin. So unmuffin is the muffin. Masculine and feminine. Masculine. So Baron Whiffin would be the man of the muffin. The muffin. Okay.
Cupcakes are fairy cakes.
Or you would either say that or Farnham Whiffin, which would be man of the muffins. Probably more likely, but Farron Whiffin.
What's the difference?
Yeah, so Farron Whiffin would be the man of the muffin.
Well, I was actually thinking of the muffin song.
Farr
That's English.
and the Whiffin.
It is.
This looks like the feminine one. This is actually the plural. Okay, this would be the man of the muffins. The man of the muffins.
Man of the muffin.
What's the word for song?
Huh? Song Auron. So
So plural doesn't aspirate, but
yeah, we did a little bit of plural one last time. We'll get to that one again when we run across it in the story. But Auron, the Whiffin, and that's actually why it's sort of important to know whether a word is masculine or feminine. Because the fact that this is a masculine noun means that this could only mean this is the song of the muffins, not the song of the muffin.
it could be what?
Yeah, because the same word "nam" means "of the" for feminine, and then also for plural things. So in the feminine one, but you have to. Yeah, we'll look at it again when we run into it with plurals. I don't want to. That's going to take us another half hour, but this is actually the whole genitive thing is probably one of the hardest things to get a good grasp on in Irish. I recall being in classes over in Ireland. That was the thing. They actually had a special call-out session just to go into this. It made people stay at lunch or something to do it. So, I mean, and these are people who've been taking classes in Ireland all their life, and they still had a hard time with this. So, if you don't get it all, don't feel too bad about it. Okay.
But that would mean song of the muffin?
Song of the muffins.
Song
The
of the
muffin
muffins.
song.
Yeah, not song of the muffins. Song of the muffins.
Song of the muffins? That's
Yeah.
plural?
Oh,
Yeah, that's
only-
plural.
But there's only one muffin in the muffin song.
Okay, then it would be Auron and Whiffin.
Oh, no makes it plural.
Yeah. Yeah, Auron and Whiffin. Okay. Yeah.
Somebody said woofy.
Yeah. Okay.
The dog ate the muffin.
All right.
You pronounce the word for song.
Auron. Yeah, you'll hear Auron also. Yeah. Okay.